Samantala, personalidad ng inyong pambansang telebisyon kinilala sa Icons of Change International Awards 2025. Kung sino siya, alamin natin sa sentro ng balita ni Gab Villegas.
Pinarangalan sa katatapos lamang na Icons of Change International Awards 2025 ang PTV News Tonight anchor na si Charms Espina bilang change maker for public trust, ethical journalism, and community advocacy sa ilalim ng Sustainable Development Goal 16 na Peace, Justice, and Strong Institutions. Sa kanyang acceptance speech, ikinagulat ni Charms ang paggawad sa kanya ng parangal.
This is a celebration of visionaries and change makers who stand together to create meaningful and lasting change. And I think that's why it's so important, especially broadcast journalists like myself and everyone in media who has an impact to a lot of people, that you make sure that you stand for something significant. I have always stood for one of my biggest advocacies, which is environmental protection and conservation and animal rights. And being in media, especially in government media, is so important because you need to talk about the truth. Have a mandate to not just inform and educate the people about what government programs are being imparted to the people, but also to let people understand issues and the truth, what matters to them, so that they make better choices. That's the power of responsible media. It turns information into action, and action then turns into change.
Dagdag pa niya, may kakayahan ang bawat tao na makagawa ng pagbabago sa mundo. Bukod pa sa responsable at malayang pamamahayag, personal rin na isinusulong ni Charms ang pangangalaga sa kalikasan at ang animal welfare. Nagpaabot rin ng mensahe si PTV General Manager Maria Lourdes Choa Fagar para sa nakamit na tagumpay ni Charms bilang isang change maker.
This recognition of our commitment to truth and transparency goes to the very heart of our mission as the country's state news network. Charms, your integrity and dedication represent the best of who we are, and we take immense pride in celebrating this achievement with you.
Kinikilala ng Icons of Change Movement ang mga natatanging individual at institusyon na nagtutulak ng mga makabuluhang pagbabago sa kanilang mga komunidad, anuman ang kanilang edad, propesyon o lahi. Gab Villegas para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.